Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, update for Visa Bulletin for October 2024, first month of fiscal year 2025. Good news guys, congratulations to us guys. Congratulations dun sa current na. Ang bagong cut-off date ng October 2024 Visa Bulletin is November 15, 2022. So, congratulations guys. Ang daming happy dito sa bagong cut-off date na to. At least nagmo-move forward na siya guys. Almost 1 year and 8 months yung mino-forward niya guys. Nahihirapan na tayong mag-explain dito. So, once again guys, congratulations dun sa mga current PD na, current priority date na. Congratulations again. So, anyway, itong cut-off date na to is nag-reflect na to last June 2024 Visa Bulletin. So, yun na nga yung prediction natin. At least ibinalik man lang niya doon sa 2022 November 15. So, mabrok, congratulations lahat sa PD na from 2020, 2021 to November 2022. You can move forward your application and you are now current your priority date. So, anyway guys, hindi pa kami kasali doon pero masaya lang ako kasi malapit na. Malapit na yung priority date na hinihintay namin, which is karamihan din ng 2023 guys is malapit na. So, hopefully magtuloy-tuloy na siya, especially for the next month Visa Bulletin. So talagang napakasaya nitong good news na to. Again, magdi-December guys. Doon sa magkakarit na guys, advance Merry Christmas. So ito na yung pang Christmas gift doon sa mga current priority date. So ito na nga yun guys, yung October 2024 Visa Bulletin. So mabrok, congratulations sa lahat. So titingnan na natin yan guys. So ito yung final action date for family sponsored preference. So punta tayo dun sa ating employment base. Bali ito naman yung final action date for employment base guys. So third preference for Philippines is November 15, 2022. So, majority naman guys, Philippines, Mexico, and the rest of the world. The new cut-off date is November 15, 2022. So, bali ito nga yung update natin guys, kung comparison natin from last September 2024, then ito yung October 2024. So, ito yung last cut-off date for September. Then ito na yung recent, the latest one, cut-off date for October 2024, which is November 15, 2022. So talagang napakalaki ng move forward niya, but once again, katulad ng sinabi ko, nag-reflect na tong cut-off date na to nung last June 2024. At least ibinalik nila yung the most recent cut-off date na binigay nila from previous, yung November 2022. So yun lang yung update natin guys. Congratulations muli sa lahat ng mga current priority date dyan. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe sa aking channel guys para updated ka for the next video. Thank you so much sa panonood. See you next time. Bye-bye!